In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Shopify store from Facebook quickly and easily. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify admin dashboard using your email or Google account. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar and find the Facebook and Instagram sales channel. Click on Facebook and Instagram to open its settings. Next, click Settings or Manage Connection, depending on your Shopify version. Locate the connected Facebook account and click Disconnect Account or Remove Connection. Shopify may ask you to confirm your decision. Review the information and click Disconnect to proceed. After confirmation, your Shopify store will no longer sync products, catalogs, or sales data with Facebook and Instagram. To verify the change, refresh the page and ensure the Facebook account is no longer connected in the sales channel settings. And that's it, you've successfully disconnected Shopify from Facebook. Thanks for watching.